Did you know that Rwanda is now one of Africa's safest, cleanest, and fastest growing nations? Rwanda, a nation born from the shadows of colonial rule, gained independence from Belgium in 1962. Yet it inherited deep ethnic divisions that would shape its future. This was just the beginning of a tumultuous journey. Few nations have lived through such unimaginable tragedy and risen so far so fast, from independence to genocide to becoming East Africa's quiet economic powerhouse. Political instability and discrimination marked the 1960s to 1980s, forcing thousands, especially the Tutsis, into exile. Across the region, tensions simmered, waiting to explode. The Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, emerged, demanding equality and the right to return, igniting a civil war in 1990. In April 1994, Rwanda faced its darkest days. After the president's plane was shot down, extremists triggered one of the fastest and deadliest genocides in modern history. Over 800,000 Tutsi and moderate Hutu were brutally murdered in just 100 days. The world watched in horror as the genocide unfolded. The genocide ended when the RPF took control of Kigali, bringing a glimmer of hope. Rwanda turned to Gacaca community courts, seeking justice and reconciliation through traditional means. Rwanda embarked on a journey of rebuilding, strengthening governance and institutions. Investments in technology, tourism, education, and infrastructure fueled rapid economic growth, transforming the nation. The new government emphasized security, anti-corruption, and strict governance. Stability became the foundation upon which everything else would grow. Social progress became a hallmark, with Rwanda leading Africa in women's representation and unity traditions. The nation embraced community-driven initiatives like Umuganda, which is unpaid work carried out by an individual for the benefit of the community, typically involving cleaning up public areas or working in construction or agriculture, fostering a sense of togetherness. Today, Rwanda stands as a beacon of innovation, safety, and discipline. The country showcases the power of rebirth, inspiring global audiences with its resilience and forward-thinking approach. Rwanda is not perfect, but its progress is undeniable. A nation once synonymous with tragedy now stands as a model of discipline, innovation, and determination. Rwanda's journey teaches us that even after the darkest times, rebirth is possible. Let Rwanda's story inspire you to embrace resilience and innovation in your own life. Together, we can rise from any challenge. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more